Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Maritime Mentor. Today I am going to explain the complete exam pattern and preparation strategy for Chiefmate Phase 1 under DGS India. This is for the subject Naval Architecture Paper 1. So I will explain here paper format, important topics, how to pass, how to score above 120 marks, what is focused in part A and part B. So watch this video till the end. This paper pattern is paper duration 3 hours, maximum marks is 200 and passing is 120. This paper have two parts, part A and part B. Part A is very important. There are 4 questions that is compulsory. Each question carries 30 marks. So total 120 marks. Your passing percent 60% is only for part A. So whenever you prepare for exam, first go for part A. Prepare for part A, or in exam also when you solve the exam in MMD, first solve part A. These are four questions, question 1, question 2 and question 3. They are numericals, and question 4 there is a ship construction diagram. They will ask diagram or explanation with diagram. Question 1, 2 and 3 they mostly ask the Simpson rule, dry docking, grounding and release stream, like that, or tech stability criteria also they will ask. You must understand everything thoroughly, like what's going on actually, because this question is also asked as a theory in question 5 and 6. And question 4 is a ship construction. This is a topic mostly cover watertight doors, watertight bulkhead, like collision bulkhead. They will ask, and their penetration regulation, sliding and hinges type of doors, ro ship ramps, stand ramp, bar ramp, ship side doors, and they will also ask one question like midship sections of the ship. So whenever you draw, first draw neat and clean label diagram. So if sketch is good, here easily you can score marks. In part B, there's a 5 question. Out of 5, you have to do only 4. Each question carry 20 marks, so total 80 marks. Means only 40% marks in part B and 60% marks in part A. So better focus first on part A. Here question 5 and 6 is stability of ship construction theory. Like what I said before, question 1, 2, 3 is a numerical, and same they will ask in theory, like effect of density on trim, what's going on, effect of beam, freeboard and length on GZ curve, effect of ship weight on GZ curve, dry docking, ship construction regulations of bulkhead, watertight door condition, and CAS and CAP survey. Question 7 mostly is survey and certification. So they will ask condition assessment scheme or CAP survey or ESP. Question 8 they will ask like welding, type of welding, faults, test procedure. Type of welding means TIG welding, MIG welding, like this, or arc welding, and their fault, like in what is fault in there in welding and procedures. Question 9 they will ask like painting, corrosion type, like how what type of corrosion is there, type of paint, material, like what is inside the paint use, and defect of paintings, and how you prevent corrosion. They will like cathodic protection, anodic protection, and MPS cathodic protection also. Whenever you are making strategy, focus 70% on numericals, because part A if you go good, you will score more marks there, and the numerical there is chances of getting much marks. So practice 70%, focus on numericals, practice Simpson rules, at least rule 1 and rule 2 thoroughly, because rule 3 asks some time only. Understand the GM laws in dry dock, when to apply it, when not to apply it, and memorize the grand stability requirement, general stability requirement, and practice 5 types of, like 4 types of trim problem. What is every type of trim problem should be at least you solve 1 or 2 times, 3 times, depending on your capacity. They will ask like some question I have mentioned in there. They course mostly the question based on the city stability part A and part B, question 5 and 6. They will ask Simpson rule, effect of density, TPC, phase shorter dark or announce, calculation of free surface effect, and stream and list. So first focus 70% on numerical, and as I said, and if and then go for part B. Write formula first, show all steps, neat and sketch steps, and give around 60% to 70% time in exam for part A. I have mentioned various topics here, but it's just for indicative. For detailed syllabus, you can check the DG shipping website. I just mentioned like dynamical stability, intake stability requirement for grain and general cargo, dry docking, grounding calculations. In ship construction, they will ask like welding, defect of welding, penetration, what I said before, and I'm mentioning all what in my knowledge. They are mentioning all. I'm mentioning all everything there in videos. So I'm repeating again. Focus on numerical part A first, then go for part B. Do not leave compulsory question, and do not trust blindly. For this is just for indicative. For detail, go for DG shipping website, and they will get the complete detailed syllabus. If this video help you, please like, share, subscribe. In my next video, I am going to explain dry docking.